So, good morning, colleagues. You are welcome to today's workshop. Even though it was initially planned to be physical, but up to now, no, just a few people, one or two or three people are available. So we cannot waste the whole day. So we have to do something. So uh, for those who are able to join, you are welcome. And earlier we shared the timetable for today's workshop. I'm sure most of us must have seen it, but let me share my screen so that you can be able to, we can go through together. So let me share my screen. Let me know if you are able to see the screen. First, the timetable. So here is a timetable that we plan to use as a guide. So just a minute, let me also share the slide with my colleague, Joseph. How do you want it? You mean the Google Meet link? The slide. Okay, the slide. No, it's already on our platform. On our WhatsApp. Are you not on the platform? On the WhatsApp platform. Interesting. Okay, let me forward them to you. Yes. One or two people are joining now. So you are welcome, brother. Huh? The name again. Josiah, yes. Let me- Please help us close the doors. Someone is trying to join us. Okay. Joseph. So Joseph, you have the material. Okay, so let's continue. So this is the timetable, for the data analytics workshop. This is our second edition. So for those just joining us, so you are not late. So we will do the welcome and introduction, which we have started. That will take us about 15 minutes. We may not even be able to use all of that. Then we will have a quick recap, of what we did in the last meeting. Quickly take us to memory lane regarding what we learned in the first workshop. Then I will discuss why we visualize beyond the spreadsheet. You will recall that in our last meeting, we started with spreadsheet, Excel, and Google Sheet. How you can bring your data into the spreadsheet environment and also use the spreadsheet to do basic calculations like summation, and also to visualize data to show basic graphs like bar charts and all of that. So, but why do we need to go beyond that? Why do we need to use other applications for purpose of visualization? So you may need to mute yourself if you are, yeah, so great. So after that, we will discuss why we need to use other applications which are dedicated to visualization, so, which are also outside, the popular spreadsheets like the Excel and then the Google Sheet. So when we give solid justifications for for going beyond the spreadsheet, then we may have a very short break and possibly light refreshments. Then when we resume, that session will focus on the introduction to Looker Studio. And that environment, for the first time, you will be able to create your first dashboard. So after that, we will have our lunch break, and then we continue with the hands-on, which I expect you to do yourself, but we will provide the step-by-step guide, for you to be able to build your first dashboard. I'm sure you should be proud of yourself if you do your own very well. Before we wrap up, Tolu will come on board and introduce us to another special application, which is called the Power BI. Power BI is a visualization application owned by Microsoft Corporation. So it's part of the Microsoft product. So at least you get familiar with that application in this in our presentation. Yeah, so you will learn how to download, how to install, and possibly you get familiar with the environment. And then we will wrap up the workshop for today. I hope you will have a very fruitful uh, session. Thank you very much. Except there are questions from those who are on grant. Any question? Any question, Josiah? Yeah, so I hope you are able to see my screen on your device. Huh? So now with this background, I want the videos to be short, short, short. So I'm going to stop the video now and then start the video again so that the video is not going to be too heavy. Is that okay? Great.